What does it feel like to ride a bicycle with a giant propeller installed on the back? Previously, a propeller was installed on the bicycle. Just a light pedal stroke would start the propeller spinning. When tested with smoke, the effect of the propeller was more visually evident. But can it provide thrust for the bicycle? Next was the road test. Surprisingly, the weight of the propeller made starting off very difficult. However, the bicycle's speed didn't increase. In fact, it was much slower than usual. With this experience, a new bicycle was sought. The drill bit was removed from the electric drill, and a gear mechanism was installed. The chain was then placed on the gear. One end of the chain was installed on the chain ring. The next step was assembling the propeller. A steel shaft was inserted into the rear support. Thus, when the chain ring turned, the steel shaft would also rotate. Using a machine, the shape of the blades was cut out from a steel plate. There were 3 blades in total. The remaining steel plate was spray painted according to the cardboard mold, and then the shapes were cut out with tools. The next step was installing the blades. After spraying them yellow, they were mounted on the rear support of the bicycle. During testing, the propeller's rotational speed was clearly faster than the previous one. After the road test, starting off was not very difficult, but the bicycle speed remained slow, similar to the bicycle with the previous propeller. However, the impressive design significantly increased the number of onlookers.